In this video, I will show you how to get the gold price in Google Sheets using a very simple formula. You don't need any special tools or advanced skills. All you need is the IMPORTXML function and a continuous future contract for gold. I will walk you through how to set it up step by step so you can track the gold price easily in Google Sheets, and it's much more robust than scraping the data from any other websites. So, first things first, I open Google Finance, and here you can look for all possible tickers, and we are gonna look for the future contracts. We have to switch to this one, future, and as you can see, we have the gold continuous contract, silver, copper, and so on. So what we are going to do is we scraping the data exactly from this continuous contract. It makes sense that we're using the continuous contract, so we don't need to update it manually later on. So going back to our Excel sheet. So what I've done now is I've written down all the tickers for the future continuous contract. For gold it is this one, for silver it's this one, and for the US Treasury bonds it's this one. And to get the price, we built with the IMPORTXML a string, and then we looking for a specific quote and ID, and once we plug it in, we get the numbers accordingly. So you have to know the URL, which is google.com finance quote, then the ID quote, which remains the same, so this doesn't change, and also this one, the class ID, it doesn't change either, so you can just blindly copy paste that. Then basically it is using all these three parts and plug it into the IMPORTXML function, and you'll get the quote accordingly. You can copy the complete IMPORTXML, including those three parts, below the window, and if you have any question, just let me know, write me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.